Unit 4. Life in Space. Listening 4. Read and listen.
Michael Lopez Alegria is an astronaut. He is from Spain, but he lives in the USA. He works with other astronauts to learn about the planets. The astronauts live in space for months. They work and sleep on their space station. The alarm clock rings early and the astronauts get up. They get dressed and they have breakfast. Eating in space is funny. Everything floats around. After breakfast, they brush their teeth and start work. Michael's job is looking at the planets with a telescope. He can learn a lot about space. He is busy all day. After work, the astronauts write emails or they exercise. Then they have dinner and watch DVDs. Finally, they go to bed. They sleep in sleeping bags. It is difficult to sleep because you can't lie down. Some days the astronauts go outside the space station. They call this spacewalking. They wear special suits when they do a spacewalk.